Good day to all my future employers. Ma'am, sir, my name is Nedi, 34 years old, married and blessed with one son, and he is now 13 years old. I am from Sindangan, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines, and currently residing at Dasmariñas, Cavite. I am Christian. I have two sisters and two brothers. My educational attainment is I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, and I earned my teaching certificate at Philippine Advent College, Sindangan. I am a teacher by profession with a valid license from the Philippine Regulation Commission. My hobbies are cooking, tutoring, singing, and I love gardening. Been working as a caregiver of a bedridden old woman for 2 years. My duties are cooking her meals, took her a bath, giving her food, and feeding her. And I also do her laundry sometimes because I am working with her granddaughter. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for my son's future. I am willing to take care of an elderly and treat him or her as my own parents. And I can also teach kids to learn how to read and write. And I am willing to take care of a newborn baby as well. I can even sing him or her a lullaby like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star when he feels asleep. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, if you choose me to work with you, I promise to be good and you can trust me that I will follow your rules and regulations. And I prioritize my job more than anything else. I am hardworking, flexible, easy to get along with, friendly, obedient, detail-oriented, trustworthy, and adaptable, and I am willing to learn. I am looking forward to be working with you soon. Thank you and God bless.